sometimes I get so caught up in weighing my food and measuring. I mean, I've been given these measuring cups as a gift and measuring spoons, but I seriously wonder about how accurate they are, and I'd like to do more research on making sure. I don't want to look a gift horse in a mouth, so to speak, but I would like to know if those measuring cups and measuring spoons are in fact accurate before I use them. And then when I do use them, one thing that goes through my mind is, what about the food that's left in the measuring cup or on the spoon? Does that count, and should I deduct those calories? And then I spend a lot of time trying to figure out how to get them off. And if I lick my finger, how much did I consume with regard to the calories that were in the food that was left on the spoon?
Well, look at that. You made it to the end of the YouTube video. Congratulations. You should celebrate with a non-food related reward. I know, you can click on the subscribe button. You deserve it.